said forever, I never thought forever would come. I always thought you would always be there. I counted on you like the sun. But when the rain came and the pain felt like a storm, my tears couldn't wash away the pain from us being done. We laughed together, we made love under the stars. We made love in hallways, we made love on trains, we made love in the back of cars. We ran naked in the hallway, laughing like we'd never part. But you said you were tired of me, and that's when you broke my heart. I took your love for granted, and you took away the stars. Now it's dark as night, you took all the light. Sure on, you took it all. But I'll still be waiting forever, waiting under the waterfall. I'll be waiting for you, waiting under the waterfall. I'll be waiting under the waterfall. I'll be waiting under the waterfall. I'll be waiting under the waterfall forever. I called you Duke, you called me Guru. We had so many inside jokes. We watched movies and TV shows, ate pepper steak with no onions, made love, laughed and smoked. We were rich together, especially when we were broke. We played chess by candlelight when we couldn't afford the light. You were my beautiful queen, and I was your king. I was your knight, but now the game is over and it feels like I lost. So if you're looking for me and wanna play, just pause and remember the promise we made to meet under the waterfall. That's where I'll be forever, waiting under the waterfall. Baby, that's where I'll be forever, waiting for you under the waterfall. Under the waterfall. I'll be waiting under the waterfall. I'll be waiting under the waterfall. I'll be waiting under the waterfall forever.